Oria TV West nakushimira munonga program reba hindukire kandi program ne Genevereho burizo buri Sunday shine ziciro hejegaruka mu rwamka orwa kabiri shahamkaga guhamba program agent batayisa abantu batari bamwe na bamwe abantu bine mbozi yaba abantu bine barabirimo abantu bine barebire kandi rizoba natwara umugisha gwo kumanyisa ngo program eji nutugenda turenga hamboze y'amahurire tuzomunda ya story y'umuntu omanye byo twiruta kumanya ho manya uko amagaraje gahindukire manya no kwahinduira ihangeri no kwagizira mu gashogwa arakorire so erizo banatwara umugisha gwo kutaya iso umuntu mukuru munonga omwihango aina abantu binzi abakwasireho hamukono kandi amagara gabo gakahinduka ahabwo burungi omuntu ogu no muzire no mukazi nyeneka no mwebembezi no muhereza aharengo runji munonga kandi otamburiro micwe otamburiro mbwebembezi burungi otamburiro mu mbabazi no kukunda kandi otambwira inekigenderwa omuntu ogutari ndijo kureka ne kano idi nakarimo reka mukwanjuje reka mukuretere nakushimirwa munonga ha program reba hindukire
kaniye nakira kandi kanashimirwa okuba hosted naro kutaya iswa my own OG from Chivura.
Yes.
I'm so happy that I'm here. Meanwhile no kugambaho nabo witu okugambaho n'abanyambarira abanzire abankuruze abarukunshagika abarukuntayira abarukunshabira nashimirwa buzima okija ha TV West especially na program yawe ntwire obumwe kunkugira mu gishangihuriraho konkemero mu bumwe nendemesa bitu nashimirwa munonga okutunga umugisha go ku interviewingwa my own
no manya omwishomero twatwine slogan yitu that with courage we march to progress mbwene rizoba twamakinga hamwe
mukama simwe
nashimero progress mpango yitu rahikiho rutakarinde
kujikaho abo kwabona bari kutureba nabari kuturahi mu rumwena erizoba neija kugamba hamagara ganje na rukundo nabanzire nabankuruze nicyuruhanga ampindwira mu mbabazi zonga
mbwene wagambire echo reka tukumanyaji okazarwahi owanyu ninkahi nabazire bawe nabaye
ruhanga umumbabazi akampa bazire barungi so amazina umubwivire ninye kano idis nakarema asizwa omushija wanje ni Jime Edi asizwa nkarabo migera nkambuke migera ena ngumpice arua kwa habwa rukundo
ejo ne hewa yambukire ogwa katonga
no banza rwizi kandi gakashari
yes
rwentanga bubare kashari
oyine kuraba rwanga rumwe
so ine kuraba hari rwanga rumwenda so no banza rwizi ojo kikar katonga yitu ya Buganda okika Buganda river nayo crossing emirundi ebiri crossing river nayo muri jinja ngarkanji crossingira karuma
oronda chobo
ndondo mushije murungi orankunde orampe onkunzire ompire kitinisa outuzire hamwe abana outurkwetegerezana konka kandi orkwetegerezana profession yanje eyamahe habo kuba nawe no wamahe ndikano ni lieutenant kano konke cyango nkaba nindonda rukundo eyamazuma etine buryariya tukugira ngo nkore bakaba tariyo konka rukundo yanje Yesu mumbabaza akajintera aruwa
kandi sakashire ahari yaruwa katwanze tugaruke kashari abazire bawe nubo baye
so abazire banje hati no tata hati no mugenzi kunkugamba umugenzi mpura kandi nenda no kushasha konka kumpandikire story ye yona cyampumuriza so umugenzi obabire namanyanka omuburuzi Eliasaf Serada omukuza kuhumura akahumura hanga yamwindiro mwahuro muri Central Buganda Diocese so okuturuka umweti twabiyazira biyakuruze kandi turubingi abiyazira umunda ye turukweta biological turubatano so omuburuzi tata Reverend Eliasaf Serada hato mugenzi na no mucyara we mama Midress Ndungi warho mama Midress Ndungi Serada warho akiriyo mu makagito kitugire kuzika tatitwe tugiye kuzika tata kamuzike biri 11 byo kwa kabiri 2025 akehumurira shemerirwe tata kabatarwara umburuzi Reverend Eliasaf Serada turi kumwetera umburuzi tata akamara imyaka 53 nko mubuzi omukanisa ya Church of Uganda kandi akaba ari very happy akamara imyaka 53 nko mubuzi
so rukabizi atakashomere byo buruzi
kwiyarigera to mu ishomero kwiyarigera to primary 7 Katebe because bakarga Buganda beishe nayo history kutera kikibaho ku kitabo kimpandike nyinemo kitweta 4 generations nimpandika aha generations ina so bakarga Buganda bishe bayija basetoringa kera Rwampara niyo bazikire ishenkuru tata obabembeta yayiro mitare koya wakazikwa Rwampara because bakabari ba chief akabari abategeki rero shenkuru ishe watata wabere nankunda munongo unkandikaho mukatabomo erisaba kwana mugaga batya mwambazi ego namazina ga shenkuru ishe wa omburzi Eliasaph Serad wahumire ari reverend already so abazire nbabo
so reverend yazarumburzi
nisi ebyatata byo byaza kubuzabuza hatu akabari omuburzi emyaka 53 ruhango mumbabaze ya muhobwa huro mu Central Buganda Diocese emyaka 2 yonka nargaho naza kuhumura kurwo munsonga so izina tukakuma twise ryo muburza aho kwari kahinduka rya bankizina ye so akaguma namanywa ko omuburzi Reverend Eliasaph Serada omukuhumura omukurwo munsi konga all his time 53 years akaba ryo muburzi wa Church of Uganda no mucyara we mama Midress Ndungi oriyo mu makageitu ahituzikire tata mukora bubari kashari ekanisa tataka ezi yatandikire ni 17 omunamba ombicweka
ahibaye bamuhereza nko muburzi
atandika we ahiba kwiya ekanisa z'umwaka zetandikira tuje kwikaho naho humurire ahita umuzikire akatandika we kanisa yarundana abo mu community bayombeke kanisa nke yayita bakama bo mu Church of Uganda baje batiza All Saints Church kanyeganyeje enke so izoba rumwe nargaho izo berinde nayihumura nazo mu iguru yanterere sumu yanje ataza mushiki wanje munywani wanje ko yabiranye tatata abanyeta omushiki wanje munywani wanje ndio mujigejo gwa omuburzi Reverend Eliasaph Serada tata turubatana ninkura twabandi bana twena turuho twena mumbabaza Ruhanga tukashwe abishituru bashatu twena tukashwerwa umushwero burkwera abanyanyaze babiri nabo bakashwera umushwero burkwera mu Church of Uganda twena tatita tugire twazire arebera abana be twena tukifimire mbabazi uko niko Bible iri kutugambira Zaburi yigana 28 negira ati bino mugishaba abaruka ayino mucyo muntu we no rukutina mukama wari yari babana abarebere yarwo munsi naye shongora ashemerirwe kuturashya njya kugambira
so tugambira habazire bawe okwihaho kugira ngo bakakuzara bakaba bazire bamuringo cyaha abantu ahacanga bakamba bagamba huki
mbwenu kwitya erizoba hato tugira umwaka gwa kabiri omburzi tata Reverend Eliasaph Serada jiro munsi abazire banzire Reverend Eliasaph Serada na mama Midress Ndungi bakaba babire mama wachiro konka kangamba hari tato wagenzire na mama ni mugamba huji konka tata omuburzi Eliasaph Reverend Serada akaba ari umuntu wa rukundo akaba ari umuntu wo buhereza bw'abantu bona omubice byabirine akaba ari umuntu tine bintu byense byo bugige byacu bikabitaruho akabeine rukundo akabeine okwendeka okorobera bakamabe akabeine okukoresa amani konko mukukora kwe akora natwereke cyo kureberaho bana banje mumanye nguruhanga nahereza omugisha emirimo y'emikono yanyu so akabata kwikiririza mu kintu cyo kushitama ngo tegerizo mugisha gwa Ruhanga ebwe binkurro mu makanisa gamwe ngabura miracles akaba nikiriza ngo Ruhanga nakora ibyo kutangaza konka akaba nikiriza omukukoresa emikono yawe Ruhanga akahereza omugisha emirimo y'emikono yawe akatutwara ishomerito abana be batano tata ubwiga bubwawe mbukira yo buhango umubwire bubona ryo muburizi akaba ine egari nkuru egari kera avoni konka we because we buri kintu cyakaba kinramwe cyango munonga
nyikiriza tumuriho nitugaruka Ochiri aha program reba hindukira ha TV West kano mugenyi wetu na afande kano na Edith Nakarema so reka tugumize munawe ibintu byo birunje munonga konkerizo bokukira munonga turiyo ntugamba aha rukundo yishe nawe kandi na harukundo y'umuzira hamwana
egari nyonka nashomira ikigambo Avon konka akabaguma najeta hamba kuna muburize ntate hamba nikimanyisa ki yanje hamba ne motoka yabenikira yo burunje munonga eyagendirwe mu Queen wa England ati nyoje motoka yanje yimukureba eyinku batwaraho ba egari yanje yinku bavugaho shemerirwe ninyeshongora Yesu wenka namara ati nyoto me it is a hamba
okay
so abantu bingi bakateka ngu egari ya tata na munonga barumuna banje na munyanyazi no mukitabo nincandika tukajuwinga izina ry'egari my younger siblings the boys so daradarizi na ry'egari yako bakaza kora cyane tata imukasheshe yimukayaba na simure gari na oil akayine sponge na oil agisimure yakugira ngo ninsya akabajya ati nisi kandi mboneze hamba shuhuri ngende nze gukora ruhanga nkorera abantu be atuhereze micyataza abana banje ayimuko mukasheshe abanza buri umuntu amukwataho natwemisha every morning ayimuka ecyo nicyo kwenda kwabura abazire tutakagire na hare ngo buri muzire we na wino mwana nabana bimwine ekintu cyo muzire kukwata ha mwana we ni hango ni kikuru taki yo
akwata ho kunga ninga kwata hashaba
akukwata kujya ati mwana wanje toruba mukira uryabo umutwe mwana wanje uryashitama nabakama uryariya nabarangira uryaye shango mbitini sabya mani habo kwa twine ruhango mani obinire plan ze nunje estari zo bi kurekezo businguzi buri mwana agenda namuho umugisha ashoza hamba
bito kagabozirwe ryari
nkazarwa kibanza cyo kwa munana 19 njanjunena
orukura okora umwana wa muringo ki
nkaba ndi umwana
okura kwa ukashaki
okura kwanje nkaba nshemerirwe abo kuba ecyabire kinshemize abazire banje bakabaro nkagira mu cyarenge mukuru ikintaramanyire because ahameza 3 nota kwetegereza so kunabiri nyine myeze 3 yonka nkazarwa kibanzo kwa munana 19 njanjunena so okwezi nushutu kwa mshanjunana kwa munana kwa bakantata kanyegambira ati ahameza 3 gonka umucyara wakabamweta beloved midress ato konko njunguriya beloved ajya beloved midress akarwara yarwara munonga bamwadmitinga kunu Kampala yatsigara nanye tata from 3 kwihameza 3 ngatsigara na tata yanto mutfuba yanyikiza mu imigisha ye akinyo mucubeke ankwatanye nyina kaka my grandmother nyakwenkuru kaka 5 kibosize kuna bintu gumugariza tata ankwatsa nyina so nkaba muganiza my father nkaba mujantaza tata obwo batata bwona ninkukunda konkandi na munyanyako abo kwa tukizberera umwe so kuyabira nsigira kakogu kaka mpibere bikari takiru mu mashereka konka
kubara buruzo
konka nsibo yibere kandi riringwa because kari yakuza umwe cinta no mugongo ararabya echo kandi ngana cy'uburingwa bazuma karierebera because nana munyanyazi wakana force to me nawe mama karwara so nawe hata uno narebire kakibere nararabya narishye
ezo nizoza nka socks
konko mwana kwata gumano no yonka so nkasharinga tata kyangira kweba umukifubeke umungaroze ankwatsa kaka 5 kibosize nyakwenkuru banyorraje ndigaburire tata kabayine principal ngo mwana umuto umwana yaba nakura takwasa kujwara kikadi sakangira ngo emyenda yiyabire nanjweka omubutagira sente bwe omukusiba hagariye navuga nakora ibyoma nahesha akaba na tugeta fabrication akaba na rege bitanda by'amashomero ayiha fizi yitu akaba nakora imibande
kandi arukora mu kanisa agaruka kuri imirimo
because kanisa umushara go muburizi ukakutakwasa kushashura fizi z'abantu batanu no shoto no mwezi akaba asiba nakore ibyo bwahure ibyo burizi fastori abo bugenya ba ferwa barwire nyecuro arara akaba ine workshop mu nju ye kandi nje kerinche twatwirimo kinge cy'abana enjerinche ayine cyabo n'umucyara we konko mu muryango harumwe meza akina kari umushomesa wa church school iziya bayitandikira mu rurimi rw'akanisa so akaba making sure omubana nari twena tinwa birashitama hansi akatukoro butebe nemeza tukatwine buri muntu inentebe ahameza neye no mucyara we biraveda midress konka on the side hagaro workshop akaba yineho iki yabayita toolbox yebyoma hariho a big and very heavy ekichango kandi kiri kuremera ekiyabira akoreraho imigongo y'amabati emigongo yo kwata enjura akaba nakore ibintu bingi kandi ruhanga n'umwesugwa omubana my brother ugo wakana oriyo nayo akaheza yaba real engineer wakashoma civil engineering Kyambogo University by God's grace n'abana bo mubuze de safse rada omubutagira bintu bye ahabwa rukundo ye bikorwa okwikirizo kwe bikorwa okusharaho kukorera ruhanga n'abantu be twena katutwara mu mashomero twahika universities twena abishya katuhingira aboja kabashwerera omubushwero burkwera nyewe nko mujigijo kimwombi tata byamushemize number 1 ekimpandikire victories nka geitwa n'umushija wanje Jimmy Edias Lieutenant Colonel Jimmy Edias Zuwa tukagitwa Archbishop wa the province of the Church of Uganda, the 7th Archbishop, now the most Reverend Bishop, Archbishop Henry Rukorombi nuwe atugitse rito twabiri abagore bo kubanza abi Dr. Henry Rukorombi ya wedding yaragire kuba enthroned as an Archbishop, and my father was holding my arm entering All Saints Nakasero. The man enjoyed my wedding better than me. I saw him happy. There was an army bank. He said, and he was looking at the Archbishop standing to receive the daughter of Muburzi all the way from Kashari Rwentanga to be wedded in. Because I was already working with the Presidential Protection Unit. Nkantakatanche kora president directly, but I was in the unit of the president. But that was not the connection with the Archbishop. The connection with the Archbishop chikanshanga fellowship nkajunwa kari. So nkakura ndio mwana wa nabagenzi banje tukakundwa. Roha itwe tata nyecyo y'abana akora na tuanza twashaba Bible na Zaburi biryaho wambuza Zaburi nyoni mbasa kugeshongoro mutwe yo na Zaburi yiti yo nyanko. Buri cyeshongoro cyone ni nkimanya from start to the end. Because tukateshongora burchiro atushabira na mama inira karungi tata yeshongora umukushemerwa tutere ngaro twisheme kandi principle ndijo yabirine umwana atakujwara bikade na emyenda kangira ngo akanagigura omu deacons eduke kanetso ya deacons emyaka eje the R70s ngo kariyo muhindi umurimbarara babira ine already made clothes for children. Because I was like a premature baby bamunsi mumchara rwire akaba ine kungurura the best indwira akangira ngo akabanjweka akakofira kakashweta engarata mu gloves ebigerata mu socks mbazire nti akinkwatsa kaka yaheza yankorere box yemiti box nungi yabiranshitamisamu yarga kutamo bwenda burungi wa diko zo bushuka arege gariye nantwa nazambarra ayineho mwana we ombox na yeshongora ndio mu kristayo byagumizamu ebiro byona mpyaha kufa so nkakura nindebo kushemerwa nakura nindebo kukwatanisa nakura nindebo kukoresa mani konko mu rukundo akaba akiba nakora guma batije nahende migongo y'amabati umuntu yito mu workshop yaho mbaho mu sitting room kace abashemerirwe twankorera ruhanga aryambe aryanzumura akaba tugira efumiye mpango akaba tugira tubana banje atabashumbiro enganzi yankoreka mugungunu atakabaragente yabaraga ati numugira ngo bana banje ruhanga ryaturaga birkwinga naki itwa bamushumbiri atireka nkorera ruhanga tabukwa ruhanga ayine obutungi obwo munsi yogi yona nobwe atikandi hariyo no muyuguro butaruho mbwe no hurefu mwiteza tukurize okumanya ngokora ruhanga aryakwa byona ibyo munsi n'ibyo muyuguro
so wakura
nimanya ngo oyine kukora ruhanga kahereza umugisha engaro akahereza umugisha emirimo y'emikono yawe kandi oyine gukora isamani ahubwo ko ruhanga gakwire okamukorera no gukora abantu be ejeji our motto for God and my country to my father it was an experience korra ruhanga ni hanga ryawe utandikira umuntu yawe obone kuza kushohora heru koreka ibyokorire ruhanga nenseka kureba konka urukurgo wawe he was a very clean man so wambuza toka kurota ngakuruma makagabaziri bari kukundana bari kwikirizanamu bikirizana nakuruma umaka agabire garumu okuhimbisa okushaboka rumwe imigisha urukunde attach but also the productive love okukunda okuru kureba mu ebikorwa nakuruma kago gukora munonga urukumanya ngo buri cyo rukukora ruhanga naza kucyomugisha kandi ubuzima nkirebere tutija kwikahwaho
nyikiriza tumuriho nitugaruka Ochiriya program reba hindujira ha TV West kano mugenyi wetu na afande kano na Edith Nakarema so reka tugumize munawe ibintu byo birunje munonga konkerizo bokukira munonga turiyo ntugamba aha rukundo yishe nawe kandi na rukundo y'umuzira hamwana nabagenzi bawe bo kuzarwa nabo bakirebire bakuzire nkiwe nababirebe byo ninga ni wapikingire byo mugasho
mu kitabo cyanje omu abana baona twena batanu buri muntu ahandikire mu story hey everyone twena turi akina kweta responsible citizens tuino vunanizi bo omunsi yetu orukunkurata ninkura twa Jennifer wakakore akashome ebya hotels and what ayine hoteli ye actually nushuti ni ibiri mityano ko naye yongerayo konkora kurata ho wakashatu na administrator UCC Uganda Communication Commission orukurata ho mojo nakuru mu revenue authority orukurata ho ni hize urukurata ho wakana ni engineer civil engineer ayine companies ze he is okay twena okukora tukakwegeswa tatitwe na mawitwe umukwatanisa batugisa ngo mukoresa mani ruhangahereze emirimo y'emikono yanyu omugisha tukirebire
watugambira hari bene wanyu bashomira bozirwe nawe konkiwe tukamanyire ukazo mwishomero ninga ukaguruka wagwa ombusirikare
ruhanga kankora again tataka batutwara hagariye nayeshongora so primary nkashoma primary nagishomera natandikira Rwentanga primary school ahitata yabira ryo mburzi omukanisa ya Rwentanga primary school 1974 urukumi Rwenda nshanju na mwendo omurutaro abantu bakahungira hakanisa ya Rwentanga ko nuburisa abantu baona bakahungira hakanisa bijana n'abana so tukaturwo munju yo mburi yabiri hihi turundana hakanisa okushanga ho abandi bana turi hakanisa utatayija aturundando mushenya abana bingi ninyishwe in my mind yo no buto bwaye myaka naho tukatuya abana bingi twena atukorra blocks so mushenyi atukorra muka prots ajati iwe ukarikira hiwo atera mu kwandika atera mu bakantukanze pattern up down up natugeze kwandika so akatukorre class bati yatwegesa also ngo buri omwe oyine kuguma ahibakwa oreke crossinga nore ngo muhakarumu
Boundaries
utazirenga so mwareba nindwana n'abashuma baba mataka buna benshi y'umwanzi corruption niyo bakanyegesa ngo otari crossinga wabandi ni myaka ukoma hakwawe kandi ushike ngo mushenyi ngo it is washed away by but he would come back and so ngashoma Rwentanga primary school up to primary 3 then primary 4 Ruhanga yatkoraho Kirungi Munonga bare aha diocese ya it was then called East Ankole Diocese so mbire wa late Bishop Amos Betungura the Dutch community bareta a biogas project Ruharo ba umbabuzi bona tata nwebe namanya okukorese okorumbyoma yishuka kana akororeda nakore byoma byebitanda so akabine mu knowledge ya biogas kandi katagishomire konka bamutorana ngo ajaze gukora biogas project aha diocese under the late Reverend Canon Feneha Butukeine nwebe nakura biogas project mutwe his daughter tukora mu state house mu anetu Butukeine so tata twarga Rwentanga matwahiru bantu aramba nyowe nazambarara junior school from primary 3 because no one complete primary 3 primary 4 primary 5 primary 6 project yaho yabadachi hatkuyahwa babadachi bagarkayo tata bari mu biogas project of course yayemerra twagaruka Rwentanga so my PRO nahura nagarkanka hansi mbara junior tukatine uniform yetu tukantwara maroon skirts and white blouses Rwentanga tukatine uniform yitu ya jinja umwe blue unomwe kugwayo tukatu umwe ko tukatu gustage tata katstage atkorera stage ya muhogo aya ajigorra so hatukuriya
oyesibomwe ko smart
bara junior kandi skirt ya maroon and blouse twine badge yitu I was in a high class and I was performing well konko mukashesha katushendekereza tata bara junior kere hehi atinahita intora kangwa katushendekeza nibigere atishite Rwentanga kwiyabira batakucera mbarira kutwara deliveries ziyarire nakora akabumwe atudrovuga kagarike so my primary was between Rwentanga and Mbarara Junior. So Mbarara Junior from P3 to P6. Primary 7 nkajiburizwa Rwentanga. Again, ahinaga Rwentandikire. So then from primary Nazartoma secondary school for my O level. 4 years I was a deputy head girl at Rutoma secondary school.
Bakaba scorer bakanora.
Nkani the first 2 years nkandi day scorer. Nkabani ndaro munyabuzare witu bambarijire kufa Charles Tukashaba my 2 years then in the third senior 3 nazo boarding every year bakaba mpebera byo buyonjo because nkakuroma kagama yonjo my father and my mother were clean
na hato kureba narebo buyonjo
mukama simu because nuko nakuzire so my father na my mother tukatiya so my 4 years at Rutoma secondary school which is third world meanwhile I was always the best in cleanliness mugurisi kandi muntu wakiruka ni musimira Ruhanga mugurisi kayanjire nuhabira mpekirabo buri mwaka twantezo mwaka akaba mpekirabo cyo buyonjo bangurire bafu endeberwamu eshuka white but I was also a deputy head girl after senior 4 I went to Kivura girls school our school Kivura courageous woman onward we move
I know
so I was a deputy head girl and the chairperson school council at Kivura Girls School for my 2 years of high school. And after that, I did not make it to Makerere and it hurt me in Kavurayo at one point. Then I went on government to Uganda College of Commerce, Kabari. When I was in my second year, that was 1997 at UCC, it was merged with MUBS. So my diploma of Uganda Business UDB, Uganda Diploma in Business Studies is from MUBS, Makerere University of Business School. But I studied in Kabare first. So later on, I went to Nkumba and did my bachelor's of procurement and logistics management, Nkumba University. And then, by God's grace, kuna tandikire kukora ubu kandi yo mu kayabire PGB SFC. That's when I joined the military training Kabamba, and later tukatandikira Kaweta, later on Kabamba. That's after I was recruited from Kabare. So I was recruited recruiting kubowa mahe 1998 when the president asked the religious leaders of all sects, of all denominations, abasiramu, abakatoliki, abarokore, abakristayo, nyowe ubu tukaturi UCC, nkandi UCC Kabare, where I was a chairperson, Christian Union, and also bakamba tuita president ngande tukatu in the guild yetu. And in the guild I was in charge of what was I in charge of guild tinda firo munonga nyenganye kurira Christian Union. Okay. But I was on the guild council of UCC Kabare. I think in charge bakajeta welfare. Okay. Yes, it was welfare. Okay. Was in charge of welfare. So
hate cyakwirishye tekateko cyo kugira ngo join injama
President, His Excellency President Museveni akatuma abakuru b'amadini na chaplains ba universities and tertiary institutions to pick baronde ababiri bataka graduatingire kuza kujanga umunsi kuba bashuma ngo bamurondere ababiri mbaza ku graduatinga ubwo mwaka 1998 kukaba kuri kwa Mushanju tukatezo kwa Mushanju. Sakatuma ba chaplains b'amashomero, ba bishops, ba pastors, ba reverends kumurondera abana babiri bariyaba abarokore abarije kumukwatsa kugenda bakatraininga emyezi mukaga rero bakija bakarwanisa obushuma omu revenue authority.
Okay.
So we were tukaba recruited kwija kuzikora omu revenue Uganda Revenue Protection Services, SRPS, Uganda Revenue Protection Services. So we were recruiting president. Okay. Aha ticket yo burokore. Abarokore abakumanywa ba chaplains babo ababakuratiye kurwo mu mashomero kugira history yo muntu babataha papura president abohereze training yamahe basic training bamanye mbundu because tukanza kurwanisa smugglers bakorese mbundu.
Yikiriza tumuriho natugaruka. Ochiriya program reba hindukira ha TV West kano mugenyi wetu na Afande kano na Edith Nakarema. So reka tugumize munawe ebintu byene birunje munonga konkerizo bokukira munonga turiyo ntugamba aha rukundo yishe nawe kandi na harukundo y'umuzira hamwana.
So honestly nkanda kuma finally ndiyo ningira kimwe mahege nyine ngaba nimanya nayege mbundu kurwanisa nkani mangu naza kushoma mbundu kurwana naba smugglers konka turi omu revenue authority.
Yes,
that was the plan. Konka kandi nkaja nacyekundira because kutwashikira mu training Kabamba. Of course the training eketoro binyo wabirakurira mu kitenderezo omu kweshongora kuriya kigambo ni command, everything is kandi command taro kujigarukamo pita hapa wondoka hivi fanya hivi. So bikangumira bikankanga konka nkaba nimanya it's for a short time. Again tata kangira ati mwana wanje omucubu gwizire president yagira ngo batwara abana barokore okajunwa emyezi mukaga ekuremese y'ikirunga cya Nyenshakari genda oyikirize emyezi mukaga o training jeje embundo gikwate atafuto turiyabo kurwanisa stane n'ikibi nombere na stane urwane n'abashuma utunje sente okorera ruhange mirumo ye nito mukama atukuzi atutahigura ombyo butunji.
Okay.
So ngagenda nshemeriro training ekaguma kwabi bikaba bigumire because nkama for example nkaba ntakajwara ga trouser. Hati nure ninzi jwara munonga konka nkashiko mu training ntakumanya nguyo ko kwikayo omukasheshe muza kujya foreign, that is mwijo murayin oyine kwijo mu trouser ko harimo catching sumama juu frog jump. It needed trousers. but me I had only dresses
so iwokoye pakingire bitete ibyo
nibyo nabenyine nkantaka hoga
so experience yo kubanza juire mparoka
bakajintiza icyo kubanza nkanta nyine ho kugigura nkanashira mu training ni sente nazo nkanta zine zo kuvigura konga kutashira banywantu banje to unpacking abambuza ngo Edith, you only have dresses and tomorrow we are going to line up with the men and the men of course abashija nbo babiri bari bingi najya you think ajoro ga trousers amtino kora yemerere hariya omukitetei kaje ukoraje kuturashye bagira ngo cicuma kindi cicuma mano kuratama so bambi my friend Elizabeth Kamukama I am forever grateful no yabanze kuntiza jeans najijwara nayetina nashoberwa ko ndaze kujitamba konka buri muntu wari yabajire so akanyamba yamba trousers twashikire yaheraho izo beri ryo kubanza batugabira uniforms ezamahi konka definitely kuza kwikaho mushinkaniza kwemera nto muri nyerere kiteteye no muyagane rwanje it was funny so Elizabeth Kamukama my friend who we train together we are still friends she didn't continue to be wetaragumize mukuzo mahe we had no mchara keshitamira nakora business ze konkantura nimwe bazo kunyamba
akateza jini
yo kubanza ubagaraganje nkajishora action ushakeza yajindekera kankutemwe nsugweje ni womanye takajinta ondisho yangabiro rukoba rwo kugikoma na rukanta rwino rukoba nkanda kugikama kanancira nkando muki rukoba nkarugabirwa orva tumurami yes ashirwe bushenya dese saho niwe yandiro rukoba rwo kutomutrawuza na runkanta rwino
okay
so arwa bit abantu bitweta destiny helpers yina banyambere to shape me omukariya inabe nintandika kandi ndakujimanya
so wija bwanyuma yo
so bwanyuma ya training emyezi mukage jo kuyabire hiko twashitemiezena president yayija yatushanga mu training kabamba at group yanje haza bambe bakatureberera je nitutabe turinka group yo kubanza yabire neryacu mu university kandi erigire universities na tertiary institutions kandi erigire all across the country nimwo harigire again muna meeting my husband ma from West Nile actually group yitu twine mu couples 8 tukatrainingira imyaka 2 what was supposed to be 6 months because so president kwizire yatugira tuyimwe bana banje muri abarokore mushomire nimwe mwinekwe hayo mukakora professionalization of UPDF ati muri lawyers hari accountants hari doctors hari engineers atomi mishoko ninyenda kuri engineers brigade ninyenda kugira irwariro kandi mwabirebire manya our military hospital Mbuya will be the most classic national referral hospital we have in this Uganda nija ku definitely nija kubanekera murago by all standards amahito kutukora ikintu especially mwamwine commanding chief nga General Kaguta Museveni oreberence yona kandi orezerege Uganda tine kiri kuba sub standard so engineers brigade niyo ryo yombeka amashomero nenguto ne bridges na so I am grateful that Ruhanga ndinzire ndio nindeba president yaturaganise 1990 because bakatwara December 19 bakatwara ku 12 1998 so kuyezere yatushaba atabana hatumwasitamezi ganyo 5 mukabiri mbura y'ukwezi kumwe kuzo mu revenue authority kurwanisa somagoraje konka mwine professions nyinje hagati ya mwine muba again baro yaba doctor bashomesa bakabona ati nyena ngo mugumizemu imwe mbaho umugisha umwargo mu basic mukore officer cadet training mutaza koraga mahe aga regular agahaburijo mubebo officers abaraye bembera abandi mukarecruitinga nabandi nyensya tukayimutiye mutindogwa Uganda People's Defense Forces so teachers abamwe abandi twagumirwa that time nanyitindikirizeho kajanta pan hatinyo wo mushiki 1999 that time abishya babiri mbazo mu mahi bakaba ryendeme kabari mwena what you would call social unfits nyowo wakuriro mu kanisa ndigira diocese again nkanta kumana kujwa trousers kandi nyeshanje mu mahi kuforeba kikangumira so konka katwa options akatugira ati kukirabe ukiragumire mutegereze ubwire nubuza kwika either muriyija nari mugumize mukorera revenue authority konka yatubwambira amazima yaje ati umurumo gwa revenue authority is not going to be permanent. Smugglers mbasa kurwansi wabaho mwijagaruka mwishanja streets kandi already mwine mwabira abasirikare abakubasa kuyamba ihanga ryanyu mukarukura koransi. So murundi gwa kabiri kuyizere akashanga twakoze decisions abinji twaje already tuyabamahe ishoke bakaba ritegire twatuye nkungu eje mikono yone kereka nyama abwe society twatina okanubasa kubara no mabakanyama. So he said okay kunkanyunkanye na dream mu kitabo munkarota nkwitse mbunu yitira hibega njwire trousers zamahe konkeruguru njwire blouse etari yamahe kandi nintambura nargaho nahika red carpet nataho munju el golden enjejo inarotire 99 nkagitahamu 2023 nashangira state house yandi nkarote chirote cy'inkumirwenda na mwenda enjina rotire ndiyo mu training nkagireba na misho ganje erintebe state house of president yanyita kuba personal assistant ebitata yaragwire atumuye konkatararagwire konkaguma nakishabira muryashitama nabakamana muryashitama n'abakama n'abarangira muryarya nabo muryanywa nabo muryategeka nabo habo kwa Yesu byo nabine. So abazire okugamba mu magaraga abana kunka mukabegeso kukora mukabegese emicwe nikikuru munonga niwe nicyo cyankorire kindi
hariho bwiro buwahurire waremesibwa waje cyane ibintu mbere je mu nyegarikiro mu kitenderezo bukabaho training ekabe eguma munonga izoba ryo bakamba bita obstacle crossing okuguruka obstacles inceteki okuguruka because hariho okuguruka mbwenu tokuramahe mwana mu training hariho kwija kuguruka nkorwizi so za long jump za high jump but again obstacles no guruke kino kwa kino guruke so tukujya ngo bashobora umwe ngo yihaje guruke ojo tunahiza no guruke cyo shanga hariyo misho guruke kino shanga kiri kukiraho izo biri kuri abirikiriya obstacle crossing nyantwonka mukama ninyija kwikahinkuza nari naza kutwanya naza kuhendekana kwaho future yanje yawo so obwire nkobwe no ho wakwitirizemo obwo abandi barebere ngweza ni warimo
mbahandikiyeho my military mentors hati kutwabe turi hakadete nubo training yaguma training yo kubanze yabire basic aho babegesa parade je yo kureba basakaye bambatambura hati yo niyo kwegesa discipline ombere gwa ugona nugubaguri nubabariyo nubagwa lining nebiteka teko byawe. So numukora parade numukora musamu exercises konka kadete kadete 6 weeks of no sleep at all.
What?
6 weeks no going to bed on kadete
yebare kubocira ha program reba hindukire umwa bataha ho burizoba nimba konda mnonge yo atwegita heri izobo tijagaraka koferwa kandi shweke cyaho wa wachiferwa rwa kabiri shamu kaga guzihangwe noja kubano birebe bintebe rugaraka mbweno taferwa.